So now we'll come to the last part of a female's life's journey. Reproductive life, I won't like to go more into it. So now we'll go towards menopause. Menopause is the cessation of your menstruation for 12 months at a stretch. 12 महीने एक continuous अगर bleeding नहीं हुआ, that means you have attained your menopause. Basically menopause, this is only the symptom. Blood नहीं आना, periods नहीं आना is only the symptom. Our ovaries have stopped functioning. That is why the bleeding is not happening, and that is why we are not getting our periods. So ovaries have stopped functioning. What does that mean? Ovaries produce estrogen and progesterone, which are the two basic hormones which our body needs. उसकी वजह से our heart is strong, our bones are strong, our skin is good, our hair is good, and basically our mental health is also good. जब ओवरीज काम करना बंद कर दे, वो एकदम से बंद नहीं करती. इट्स नॉट कि वन फाइन डे ओवरी से चलो स्टॉप, आई एम नॉट वर्किंग नाउ. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. देयर इज अ पीरियड, अ फेज which we call pre-menstrual period. Pre-menstrual period can last for 6 months in some, it can last for 6 years also in some. So in this phase, the hormones keep oscillating. So because of that, there are a lot of changes happening in our body. From head to toe, कहीं पे भी कुछ भी असर हो सकता है. Mood swings, a lot of mood swings happen. There is a lot of tiredness in the body. You don't feel like doing anything. कई बार बात पे छोटी छोटी बात पे गुस्सा आ जाता है. You become irritable. Sometimes you feel frustrated. You feel depressed. Suicidal tendencies तक आ जाती है कई लोगों में. I have females in my OPD who are very smart and very good at their work, but still they come and tell me I feel I'm not doing anything. मुझे कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. No, they are so smart, they handle the whole office and still they face these problems. So this is all because of your hormones playing in your body. And that is why it is very important for us to understand our body and give time to our body. Menopause is not only negative, it is positive also. There are many things where females look forward to menopause. Firstly, freedom from menstruation. That is a very big plus point. So no worries of becoming pregnant. That again is a very good point. Usually 45-50 पे जब menopause आता है, you are much more mature, you are worldly wise. So आजकल बोलते हैं ना 40s is the new 20s. So you are free to do. बच्चे भी बड़े हो जाते हैं, they are into their own world, so you are free. आपको जहाँ जाना है जाओ, आप अपना ग्रुप बनाओ, आप घूमो फिरो, आप अपनी हॉबीज़ में इंडल्ज करो. सो यू कैन डू ऑल दैट बिकॉज यू हैव ऑल द टाइम इन द वर्ल्ड टू डू दैट. सो दिस इज द पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ मेनोपॉज. बट अगेन द नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स ऑफ मेनोपॉज, इट कैन कॉज एज आई सेड मेंटली तो इतना सब हो सकता है. देन देयर इज अ वेरी बिग सिम्टम नोन एज हॉट फ्लशेस. Hot flushes is आप बैठे हो, everything is good and suddenly you start perspiring, you become all red, you start perspiring, you feel dizzy, and it lasts just for a minute or two and then like a flash it's gone. So this is typical hot flushes. So it can happen any time of the day, it can happen n number of times in a day, and it's not necessary that it happens to everyone. जिसको होता है, I have seen patients who face these symptoms around 15 to 20 times in a day. So it is very very difficult for them to even work because office में काम करते करते इतनी बार अगर ये hot flushes आएंगे तो it disturbs you a lot and it's a very annoying symptom. साथ में as I said, there is weakness in the body, your skin, your hair becomes dry, there is a lot of hair fall happening. Coming to the pelvic region, there is a lot of irritation in the vaginal area, in the urethral area. Many a times females have burning sensation. जलन हो रही है, यूरिन में जलन हो रही है, and they repeatedly go to a physician. They are repeatedly treated with antibiotics, but it gives no relief or a very temporary relief. So ideally जब ऐसा होता है, they need to consult a gynecologist because menopausal, peri और post urinary irritation is usually because of lack of estrogen, lack of hormones, and not because of infection in the urine. So urine report कराए बिना antibiotics लेना is not a done thing. So after a certain stage, especially after 40 years of age, I think पहले यूरिन इरिटेशन हो रहा है, बर्निंग हो रहा है, तो पहले कंसल्ट अ गायनेक. इफ नॉट, पहले यूरिन रूटीन माइक्रो कराओ. इफ इट शोज इन्फेक्शन, ओनली देन टेक एंटीबायोटिक. अदरवाइज directly reach a gynecologist who will treat you properly for that. Similarly, there is dryness in the vagina also, which causes difficulty in intercourse, and it causes burning sensation in the vaginal area. All these things can be treated. Nowadays we have very good treatment for that, so they have to consult the proper person. And the best thing to avoid or to get over these menopausal symptoms is to stay active. Most of the times menopause period falls in that time when children are grown up and they leave the home for their colleges. So the women during that time also face an empty nest syndrome. Husband is busy working, children are out in colleges, staying in different cities, or even if they are in the same city, they don't need their mothers much now. So the mother feels lonely, she feels neglected, and that is when all the menopausal symptoms which were dormant, they again start coming out in open. So every female after the age of 40 needs to find time for herself. She needs to indulge in her hobbies. She needs to find a group of her own where she can communicate, where she can share her sorrows and joys, or where she can enjoy. So this is very important to have a nice group of your own. For all the symptoms of menopause, we have herbal remedies and we have hormone therapies also. But basically herbal therapies work to some extent. Herbal therapies में basically we have estrogen mimicking things which are known as isoflavones. चलेगा, कुछ है नहीं वैसे भी. Okay.
या नीचे भी है
and go for regular walks, regular exercises in gardens, join a yoga group, whatever, or if they like Zumba, if they like dancing, do something of that sort. So that releases their energy, makes them fit mentally and physically. Along with that, good healthy diet is always a must, whether it is an adolescent period, a reproductive period, or a menopausal period. Food is the mainstay of everything, and if all these things do not help, तो हम तो है ही, hormones हम दे देंगे, which are very safe nowadays. Earlier it was considered very unsafe, but nowadays we have very good hormones which are safe and can be taken for years together, and it really improves the life, the quality of life of a woman. So with this I think I'll end my talk. I have gone from birth to adolescence to menopause. So with all this, I think I've stressed upon why a girl's health, a woman's health is very, very important, and why even males should know something about this so that they can be involved in their home, in their sisters, their mothers, or their daughters' life and health. So thank you. And